Hey guys, happy Saturday. I don't know if this will be a weekend vlog or what. But yeah, I'm starting a new vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if it's your first time watching. So yeah, it's Saturday morning. I'm headed to McDonald's to grab breakfast. And I actually need gas. So I'm gonna have to stop and get gas first. It's really just something I procrastinate on just because I hate doing it. Like, I don't want to do it. So I just procrastinate on it. I was gonna do it yesterday and I just didn't. So let me get gas first and then I'll have to come to the McDonald's. I need a husband so that he can fill my car up with gas because I just hate doing it. So this is why I needed to go get gas before coming to McDonald's, because this is how the drive-thru is. Like, I could get out and go inside, but I don't even feel like that would be that much better. It's just packed up here. I'm literally almost in traffic. This is ridiculous. You have whole box braids. Whole box braids. I can't afford to get box braids. So how are you standing here begging for money? I'm confused. Good morning.
Yeah, boss, come on, coffee.
Yes.
Check and sip this one.
Okay.
Is that? Thank you, baby.
Thank you, you too. Let me check and make sure this is right, because McDonald's be notorious for messing some stuff up. But the last few times I've come here, they've actually done pretty good. So, yo, this woman, I tell you about the homeless people. I won't even say homeless people, but people just like will beg and beg for stuff. Like this woman, it's one thing if you're like actually homeless, but a lot of the homeless here are drug addicts. Oops, did that come open? Sure did. Did they get her an extra sausage? Okay. A lot of the homeless here, they're just like drug addicts and they're like begging for drug money. You know, like this woman is standing outside of McDonald's begging, like asking, like, hey, can y'all help me out? Can you help me out? Can you help me out? She has a head full of box braids, $250, $300 braids, the goddess kind with the, you know, curly. I can't go sit in somebody's chair and get my hair braided and pay, you know, $300. So ma'am, where are you getting this money from? And I feel like they just mess it up for everyone. People who actually need, you know, the help. You need to get help for your addiction, for your disease, not money so that you can go and buy more drugs. It's just sad sad. Like, I just don't want to live in this city. I don't know, we might need a name change for this channel, like Mommy in the Suburbs, because yeah, I don't know. It's certain parts of Chicago that, you know, I love, you know, certain areas, but this, you know, this area, I don't know. I do not know. But yeah, that's what I've been kind of like delaying moving, because I'm just trying to figure out where I want us to live, you know, where we can afford to live. Do I want to buy a house now? Do I want to just rent? Yeah, guys, I'm back home, so let me actually just focus on parking.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings. You got my heartstrings. I try to fight you off, but it's so useless. You circle around me like the moon around the earth, always ending with a kiss. I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't really care at all, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating
Hey you guys, today is actually Monday. I just wanted to come on and like check in because I don't think I've talked since like Saturday. But yeah, I'm actually working right now. I haven't really done anything. I did open a package which came from Sam's Beauty and it's some like crochet here. Hey, quiet. It's just some crochet hair. I'm gonna crochet my hair in probably next week, maybe before my birthday. Right now I just put my 2-strand twist back in. So I'm just gonna wear these until I wash it again and put the crochet in. Don't know why I'm holding my glasses like this. But yeah, and then today has been like super gloomy and very, very rainy and cloudy out. And my mood is a little blah. But yeah, still want to make sure I'm putting out content for you guys regardless of how I'm feeling. But yeah, I just watched Queen's Court, which I might be late to, but I saw on social media that Tamar Braxton was engaged to this white guy, and I was wondering, like, you know, how she met him. And I saw people talking about this show, so I started watching that over the weekend, and I just was watching that today until I started work. So yeah guys, that's what's been going on. I don't really know what I'm doing this week or if we have anything. I don't think we really have anything like fun planned for this week. I don't think so. So yeah, but we'll see, because I still owe you guys a vlog on Sunday. So yeah guys, I just wanted to touch base. I actually have a homemade flatbread pizza in the oven right now that I need to go check on, and that'll be our lunch. Give me that perfume. You cannot touch that. So yeah, we are just kind of chilling, hanging out around, lounging, just lifing, adulting, which kind of sucks. So yeah, I don't know what that is on my sweater, like what is that, but whatever. Anyway you guys, I'll just check in with y'all. I don't really know when, but I will check in with y'all at some point. Hey you guys, today is Tuesday. It's May 2nd. Happy May. It's my birthday month. I didn't say that yesterday, I don't think. But yeah, May is my birthday month. On May 12th, that's my birthday, and I'll be 31 years old. So yeah. I just finished up filming like a try-on haul. Well, not like the haul part, but I did the try-on part. And I'll probably just do the haul part where I like sit down and talk tomorrow, I think, because Wednesday is my normal like filming day, or that's how it's been. I record on Wednesdays. So yeah, because I just don't really feel like putting on any makeup today, honestly. That's like the real reason why I only did the try-on part. And then the other part would just be, I don't feel like stopping every 3 seconds while my daughter interrupts me. So yeah, I'll just do the sit down haul part tomorrow. And I may record another video as well tomorrow, because I'm trying to push out content. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way when I'm uploading all this content, you won't miss it. You can see what I picked up from Fashion Nova. So yeah, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe so we can grow this platform. Help me get to 100 subscribers. My first 100 subscribers. That would help me out. So what I'm about to do next is just film, because I got a few accessories from Fashion Nova, and instead of me trying them on, I'm just gonna film a few like clips of that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I also have a few videos that I need to edit, because I need to put out a video. I don't know if it'll go up tomorrow or Friday. So yeah guys, that is all that's going on. Just making sure I'm staying consistent with recording, uploading, editing. I'm just trying to grow my platform and grow my channel, so I'm just trying to be super consistent. That's the best way. Yeah, that's everything. I'll see y'all probably tomorrow. Hey you guys, so it's the next day. Today is actually Wednesday and it's May 3rd. We stopped at Target this morning after I dropped my sister off. She's actually going on a trip. She needed toiletries and stuff, so I just stopped at Target to pick some up so that she can have that before she goes. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all the stuff I got. And I'm not gonna show you her toiletry stuff because that's just like little basic stuff, but yeah, that's my lemon loaf. So I got this Febreze small spaces. They really only had like this scent and the island, no, the clean, what is it called, like clean linen or something like that. So I just got this one because it smells like laundry. And I just like to put these in the room. Hey, Brooke, let mommy talk, please. So I just like to keep these in our room and in the closet, as well as like in Brooke's diaper genie to, you know, make everything smell nice. I've been really obsessed with everything smelling good. I just like to smell good all the time. I like for my body to smell good all the time. I like for my room, my car, like everything to just smell good. And speaking of smell goods, I've been loving Target's wax melts. I want to say this brand is Threshold. It doesn't say on here, does it? But I think it's Threshold. That's the brand. Yeah, because of that. symbol there. This is Threshold brand. So this is peach and apricot. This one is rainbow marshmallow. This one smells really good. It's definitely a gourmand type of scent. And then this one is like 3 different kinds, like a variety pack. So it's rainbow marshmallow, which is the same as this, vanilla bourbon, and pink cotton candy. So last time I picked some of these up, I want to say it was our last Target shop with me. I'm gonna link that video right here so that you guys can check that out. But I picked some wax melts up from Target, and that was my first time trying the Target brand wax melts. So yeah, I got like a variety pack, kind of like this one. It was like coconut and just like very fruity, islandy type scents, but it just smells so good. So I've been obsessed with wax melts lately. It's been my new obsession. I'm not sure which one I want to try. I'm thinking I want to try this one because I want to see what this vanilla bourbon is gonna do. So I think I'm gonna try this one out, and I'll put these up. But yeah, guys, I don't have anything happening. I feel like I say that all the time. But yeah, it's just a regular day. Like, I'm just gonna work later. I need to get Brooke down for a nap pretty soon because she's starting to act crazy. And when she goes down for her nap, I can just have some quiet time to myself. Oh, and I really don't know what's gonna be happening next in this vlog because I actually have to take my car to get at least an estimate on what repairs are needed. And I'm praying it's covered under my warranty. But yeah, it's just been making this little sound when I'm like accelerating. So I kind of want to get that checked out, you know, sooner rather than later. I don't have the camera on me because I just feel like I look a mess, and I don't want to look a mess this whole vlog because I don't think there's been a point in time in this vlog yet where I've put on any makeup or anything. So this is probably a really bad angle, and the lighting is terrible because I didn't feel like pulling out the tripod and the ring light. But it's a little later in the day. I wanted to update y'all. So the vanilla bourbon wax melt smells pretty much identical to pumpkin pecan waffles from Bath and Body Works. So I think I found a dupe for pumpkin pecan waffles. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and update you guys about that. Okay, quick check-in. I actually just dropped my car off to the shop. So I don't want to spend the money on Uber, so I'm about to try to catch the train back home. So yeah, just a quick little update. Hey, vlog, checking in. So I am in my car, obviously. I had dropped it off this morning. I think there's a clip of that, but yeah, I dropped it off this morning because there was this sound that it was making, and like you actually can hear it. I was editing this vlog. If you listen at the beginning of this vlog when I was like going to McDonald's or getting gas or whatever that clip was from, there's definitely a sound, this noise that you hear. So I called the dealer that I purchased it from because I bought a warranty when I bought this car, and I pay for it every month along with my car note. So it's a pretty expensive $2,000 warranty that I pay for. So thankfully they covered the cost of it, except I had like a $50 deductible, and then I think it was like $40 for like labor, which the warranty doesn't cover. So I ended up paying like $90 and some change. So it's still money spent, but I'm happy that I got it done and it didn't cost me like $300, $400, $500, and I gotta spend the next week worrying about how I'm gonna get this money and pay bills and this and that. So I just picked it up. They called me, told me it was ready, and there's no sound so far, so thank God. Hopefully it's all fixed and I don't have to be going to no car places and getting repair work and all this and that no more, or at least for a while. So that's done. I'm on the way home. Honestly, I really don't feel like doing anything. It's actually a very nice day out. Today is really pretty, really nice, but because of that, there are a lot of people out here, and I'm not in the mood. They told me my oil's at 17%, but the light hasn't come on yet. I think maybe it comes on once you hit 10%, or when you have 10% remaining. So yeah, I'm gonna get the oil change, but I'll just do that like one day next week, because I mean that's quick. You can just sit and wait for your car while they're changing the oil. That was a really strong gust of wind that came out of absolutely nowhere. That was weird. Tomorrow would probably be the last day of this vlog, I'm thinking. I've already been editing. I think I got it at about 32 minutes so far. I think a good 30, 40 minutes. Child, what in the world? See, this is why my car needed repairs, because of these city streets. What was I saying? What was I talking about? Tomorrow, I think we'll try to go to the park. I know tomorrow's supposed to be nice again too, but I gotta double check because I don't know if it's supposed to rain or what. But if it doesn't rain, then I think I'll take Brooke to the park. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Saturday, and it's a very gloomy and rainy Saturday, so we're not gonna go to the park. But yeah, we are at Starbucks in the drive-through. I'm just about to get something. I think I want a refresher instead of coffee, so yeah, I'll probably get a refresher and some type of pastry. But yeah, we're just here at Starbucks. This is the only thing that we'll do today, just because it is so gloomy. And yeah, I got on my sunglasses even though it's cloudy out because I look a mess. Okay, so I got just a pineapple passion fruit refresher, and then I actually got a cheese Danish, which I've never tried before, but let's see what this tastes like. Oh, that's pretty good. I think I should have asked them to toast it. Like, I got it warm, but I think I wanted it toasted. But it's still good. I am gonna close out the vlog here because, like I said, is there something on my face? So yeah, guys, I'm going to close the vlog out here because, like I said, I don't have anything else going on. We are not gonna go to the park because it's kind of gloomy. The sun did peep out a little bit, but now it's going back away. So I don't want to go to the park and it ends up pouring down raining or something. So we're just gonna go home, and as always, I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you made it to this point. Leave me a comment down below and say hey. Let me know you're here, and subscribe. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. It would help me out. It would help my channel to grow, because I would like to grow this platform, you know what I'm saying? And I look a mess today. I look a mess. But despite that, still subscribe like this video, share with your friends, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night.